Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you two different methods on how to create a beautiful, flawless ombre gradient using Rossi Glam Powders. First, we will make sure the nail is thoroughly prepared to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Push back cuticles and shape and buff nails. Clean with alcohol. Next, paint a thin coat of Rossi primer and let it air dry for 30 seconds. You're now ready to proceed. Apply a coat of Step 2 Rossi base, starting 3/4 onto the nail surface, stroking out towards the nail tip. Avoid getting the product on cuticles. Carefully dip the nail into the Sweetheart Glam Powder jar. Remember to dip your nail at a 45-degree angle. Get your thick makeup brush, like a kabuki brush, and brush away the excess powder. Apply base coat to the entire nail. Dip a brush into Jingle Glam Powder and tap the nail art brush to sprinkle the powder over your nail's free edge. Dip another clean brush into Sweetheart and sprinkle around the cuticle area. Use 2 clean brushes. Brush off excess powder and apply a second coat of Rossi Dip base coat and repeat. Apply activator thoroughly and wait for it to harden. Then apply another layer of base coat to protect and encapsulate the gradient. For the second method, apply Rossi base and dip it into a lighter color powder jar. Using a fluffy brush, dab the darker color onto the tip of the nail plate. Here we are using the color Frozen. The pigment from the glam powder will transfer onto the nail plate without increasing the amount of powder on the nail. Build up the color intensity to your liking. Now apply activator and follow up with a layer of dip base coat to seal the nail and allow it to air dry. To extend product life, be sure to swipe the neck and rims of bottles with alcohol immediately after each set of application. Smooth and refine the surface with a 100/180 buffer. Don't go too crazy with the buffing. You don't want to take out the design. Apply 2 thin coats of Rossi top coat. Let it air dry for 5 minutes. Massage Rossi Nourish cuticle oil into skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you to use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. As you can see, creating beautiful ombre nail design is as easy as it looks. What's great about this type of manicure is that it's also very versatile. You can experiment with different colors, just remember to put the darker color closer to the free edge. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home safe!